If you want to add a clean, professional vignette in Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest method for creating a smooth, symmetrical vignette using the Camera Raw filter, and I'll keep it simple enough to follow even if you're brand new to Photoshop. This is a great technique for portraits, product photos, and any image where you want to draw attention toward the center and make the edges feel more polished and cinematic. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your image in Photoshop and make sure the layer you want to edit is selected. This part is important because we want the vignette to apply to the correct image layer. Before adding the effect, go up to the top menu and click Filter, then choose Convert for Smart Filters. This step makes the effect fully editable later, which means you can come back and adjust it any time without permanently changing your photo. If you skip this, your filter may be harder to edit after applying it. Once your layer has been converted for smart filters, go back up to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw filter. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use Ctrl, Shift and A on Windows or Command, Shift and A on Mac. This opens the Camera Raw interface where Photoshop gives you powerful control over lighting and finishing adjustments. Inside Camera Raw, look to the right-hand side panel and find the Effects section. Click to expand it. In this panel, you'll see the Vignetting controls. The main slider is the one you want to focus on first. To darken the edges of your photo, drag the Vignetting slider to the left into the negative values. As you move it left, Photoshop will gradually create a darker border around the image, which naturally pulls the viewer's eyes toward the center. Now, if you want to fine-tune the look, use the Midpoint slider underneath. This controls how far the vignette reaches toward the middle of the image. Moving it one way or the other can make the vignette feel tighter or broader depending on the composition. Below that, you'll also find Feather, which controls how soft or gradual the transition is between the dark edges and the brighter center. A higher feather usually creates a smoother, more natural-looking effect, while a lower feather can make the vignette appear more defined. The best part about this method is that Photoshop calculates the vignette for you, so the result stays balanced and even all the way around the frame. That makes it ideal if you want a clean, consistent look without manually painting shadows or building adjustment layers from scratch. Take a moment to adjust the sliders until the image feels right. You usually want the effect to be noticeable but not distracting. The goal is to enhance the photo, not overpower it. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the vignette. Because you converted the layer to smart filters first, you can always double-click the filter later and make changes if needed. That gives you a lot of flexibility, especially if you're editing multiple versions of the same image. And that's it. You've just added a vignette in Photoshop using the Camera Raw filter. It's fast, editable, and one of the easiest ways to give your photos a more professional finish. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.